Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to view shared links in Gmail Spaces on your PC with the latest updates. This feature is essential for staying organized and ensuring you don't miss out on important resources shared by your team. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features available to you. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options. From this menu, select Chat. This will take you to the chat interface where you can manage your conversations and connections. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Spaces. Here you'll find all the different spaces you're a part of. These are designed for group discussions and collaboration. Find the space where you want to view shared links and click to enter it. Once you're inside the space, take a moment to notice the layout. At the top of the screen, you'll see various sections. Look for the Shared section. This area is dedicated to all the links and files that have been shared within that space. Click on the Shared section, and you'll see a neatly organized list of all the links that participants have shared. This feature is incredibly helpful, as it allows you to easily locate important documents, articles, and other resources without having to sift through countless messages. If you find a link you want to check out, simply click on it. This will open the link in your browser, giving you instant access to the content. Whether it's a useful article, a project file, or any other important information, having everything in one place makes collaboration seamless. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view shared links in Gmail Spaces. This feature not only keeps your communications organized, but also enhances teamwork and productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your digital communication. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.